Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm making a leftover roast Bombay potato. Leftover Christmas or Sunday lunch roast potatoes fried with garlic, onions and various spices, the perfect side complement to any of my curries. Before I begin, please remember to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up and click that notification button. In a pan, heat the oil on low to medium and fry the mustard seeds until they start to pop. As soon as they do, add in the onion and methi and cook for around 5 minutes to soften, stirring occasionally so they don't burn. Sprinkle in the salt, sugar, garlic, fennel seeds, mixed powder or madras powder, coriander powder, cumin seeds, turmeric powder and tomato paste. Add a little water or curry base to keep things from burning and cook for a minute, stirring frequently. Turn the heat up to high and add the heated water or curry base, mix well and allow to reduce by half before carefully adding half of the fresh chopped coriander and the bite-sized chunks of potatoes. Stir gently, then allow to simmer on high until the dish reaches your desired consistency and serve sprinkled with the remaining coriander. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.